All right, welcome back to Cruise Control. My name's Eric, and today we have an update on that brand new 2023 Mazda CX-50. Let's get to that right now. All right, so the update is this thing is going to be built in the exact same plant as the Corolla Cross. So it's going to be built in Alabama, and it's going to be rolling off the same assembly line in a different segment, in a different sector, because this is a compact SUV versus the Corolla Cross is going to be a subcompact. However, Mazda just shared that it's going to have the same hybrid tech that is in the Toyotas, like the RAV4 hybrid. So it's probably going to come with that 2.5 liter, has around 200 horsepower, gets pretty decent fuel economy. So pretty cool that it's going to have that hybrid tech. I wonder if they're going to even do like the plug-in hybrid from the RAV4 Prime. That thing's pretty quick, 0 to 60 in around 5 seconds. You get so many miles on EV alone. I wonder if the CX-50 is going to get that. Now, are you interested in buying the non-hybrid powertrains, like the naturally aspirated 2.5 or the turbo 2.5? I'm interested in the 2.5 turbo myself. Or are you interested in getting the hybridized version that's going to get fantastic fuel economy, maybe a little less power, not as fast 0 to 60, but way better fuel economy? Which one would you guys get? Leave your comments down below. My name's Eric. This is Cruise Control. Have a good one.